Say hello, Grandma. Great Grandma. Say hi, Great Grandma. Say hello. Say I'm sitting here with my grandpa. Say we both got sick together, didn't we? Did we get sick together, huh? We did, didn't we? Yep. And now here we are. We're just trying to get through it. Grandpa's got to try to work from home today. Why, Ethan is going to sit here getting ready. His grandma's getting him ready for a bath. Or not his grandma, his mama. Huh? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? Where is she? Where is she? Who's this? Oh, is that your mama?
Hey, baby. Hi.
There she is, huh? She's over there. Here we go. Is she over there? Somebody loves his mama, huh? Yeah. All right, say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. I think that's pretty funny, don't you? All right, see you later, Mama. Love you.